ako dyan. Itong mga alila ko. Tingnan nyo ginagawa. Exercise ng exercise. Yung mga kinainan, hindi pa nahugasan. Yung mga labada, hindi pa nalaban.
I'm going to bath first, okay? So, because you're not finished eating yet.
Hi guys, it's May 23. Punta tayo ngayon sa IKEA, tapos punta tayo DFO mamaya.
fire truck.
Gala-gala lang. Tapos yung ipupunta namin sa IKEA is shower curtain naman. Yun. And it's Saturday, gala day. Nagdala na ako ng kape. Mainit pa. At gala tayo. Let's go.
Sorry on my life.
Dito na kami guys. So, bili lang kami ng shower curtain. Come on, let's go.
This way. I need
So that I can see you.
Everything's spinning around.
Yeah. Let's go, let's go.
I can reach the hat. I can reach the rock.
Where did you get that?
Turn and wait for me.
Can you be careful?
So, naghahanap kami ng frame para sa class photo niya. Dami mga frames dito. Pero meron ako isa para sa kamay niya. Handprint. And hanap pa kami ng isa pa.
Be careful.
Dito na kami sa mga plants, guys. And punta na kami ng furniture area, Manada. Hanap namin yung market hall. Wala yung market hall.
Why are we in the second level now?
What?
What? Yeah, let's go. Let's not do that. Well, that was spinning.
Wala pa ka makalas eh.
So, yan na yung mga napamili natin, guys. Mga picture frame. Ano lang naman siya. Konti lang. Yan lang. And pay na tayo dito. Alright. Let's go. Ayan, pauwi na kami, guys. And nag-ice cream tong bata na to. And go na kami. Let's go. Hi guys, so andito na po kami ngayon sa Carinap Shopping Center. Magpapagupit si Dad tsaka si Happy. At dito na kami sa parking lot. Tapos labas kami mamaya sa hanap kami ng shoes ni Happy ngayon, guys. Ayan, let's go. Hanap tayo kasi ano, ang tagal na din nun. Naluma na. Tignan natin kung may maganda dito. Hindi pa pala kami bibili, guys. Tingin-tingin lang muna. Let's go. So, andito na kami, tapos na sila magpa-haircut, guys. Andito na kami ngayon sa Spice Market. Dito kami mag-dinner, early dinner. No, I'll sit next to you.
That's so cool. The Roman gave it to you.
Dear customer,
There
your
you go.
seat is
You
on.
got your own plane.
1. Ray, please pick up and don't forget to click confirm.
That's fine.
Press the blue one, my love.
Can you reach it? No?
Enjoy your meal. And we'll see you again if you order more. Bye.
Ayan guys, so inaantay pa namin yung laksa namin.
Get inside.
At kakain na kami bago pa dumating yung laksa. Let's go!
Good. You want the white rice only? Just want the white rice?